Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the boxed bead stitch. So to begin, you want your chain to be a multiple of 3 plus 2. Here I have 18, which is a multiple of 3, and I'm going to add 2. Next, we are going to single crochet into the third chain from the hook. So here's 1, 2, 3, single crochet. And then in the next, we're also going to do another single crochet. And then in the next stitch, we are going to do the extended single crochet. So we are going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that is the extended single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, we are going to single crochet, 1, and in the next, another 1. And the pattern we are following for this row is 1 extended single crochet, and then single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So my next stitch is going to be an extended single crochet. So again, we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And that's 1 extended single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, we are going to do single crochets, and the next an extended single crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet each. So go ahead and follow that pattern of 1 extended single crochet and then a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. When you get to the end of your row, you should have 1 stitch left after you did the single crochets, and you are going to make an extended single crochet into the last stitch. So we're going to turn our work to begin row 2. We're going to chain up 2. We're going to skip this very first stitch here, and then in the next stitch we are going to make a bead stitch. So what we're going to do is make a double crochet, and then we are going to work around this double crochet. So we're going to yarn over and put our hook behind the stitch like that. We're gonna yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert it behind, pull up a loop. That was our second time, and we're gonna do that one more time. Yarn over, insert it behind the double crochet, pull up a loop, and we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on our hook. And we're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops except for the last one. Okay, and then we're going to yarn over and then pull through the last 2 loops. And that is a bead stitch. Now we are going to skip the next stitch, and then in the next stitch make an extended single crochet. And that is the pattern we are following across for row 2. We will be making a bead stitch, skipping 1, and then making an extended single crochet. So you can see that we are making the extended single crochets on top of the extended single crochets in the previous row, and then the 2 stitches between we are doing the bead stitch. So you can kind of just think of it as the bead stitch taking up 2 stitches since we are doing a double crochet and then we're working around the double crochet. So it needs the 2 stitches and then we are doing the extended single crochets in between. So again, the bead stitch, we're going to start right here in the next stitch with a double crochet. And we're going to work around the double crochet post. So yarn over, insert your hook behind it, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we're going to do that 3 times. 2, 3, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through all of the loops except for the last one. And then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Skip the next stitch and then extended single crochet. Again, the extended single crochet is insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch, we're going to do our bead stitch, double crochet. We're going to work around that post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through all stitches except for the last one, yarn over, pull through 2, skip the next stitch, and then extended single crochet into the next. And we're just going to follow that pattern all the way across. So here at the end, I just did my last bead stitch. We're going to skip that last stitch, and then into the turning chain, we are going to make the extended single crochet. For row 3, we're going to chain 2, turn our work. We're going to skip this first stitch here, and then we are going to single crochet into the next stitch, and another single crochet into the next stitch, and then the extended single crochet. So this is the big gap here. That is where we want to do the extended single crochet, because this is the extended single crochet in the previous row. And then we are going to follow that pattern all the way across. We're going to do single crochet, extended single crochet. And here I am at the end. I just did single crochet, single crochet. I'm going to end the row with an extended single crochet into the beginning chain from the last row. And from here, you would just repeat row 2 with the bead stitches, and then row 3, the one that we just did. So again, for row 2, you want to start with a chain 2, and then you are going to skip the very first stitch. You're going to make a bead stitch, skip, and then extended single crochet. So you could see that you are making the extended single crochets on top of the extended single crochets, and then the bead stitch right after the extended single crochet, but it does take up 2 of the stitches. That is why you're skipping that stitch. And then for row 3, you're chaining 2 in the beginning, skipping the first stitch, and then just following the pattern of single crochet, extended single crochet, and we are always working into the turning chain or the beginning chain of the previous row to end our rows. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.